Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to do a Shopify appointment booking. All right, let's begin. First, open your Shopify dashboard and go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Booking App and browse through the available options. Choose the first app from the list and follow the installation instructions to add it to your Shopify dashboard. Once the app is installed, return to your dashboard. The Booking app should now be available for use. Open the app and follow the setup instructions to configure it according to your business needs. Most Shopify booking apps allow you to set appointment types, availability, and pricing. You can also customize booking rules, such as appointment duration and cancellation policies. After setting up your preferences, integrate the booking feature into your store's pages so customers can easily schedule appointments. Test the booking system by making a sample appointment to ensure everything is working correctly. If needed, adjust settings within the app to optimize the experience for your customers. So that's basically how you can do a Shopify appointment booking. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.